Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Big Al. Alrighty, this lock that's in the open position in the vise, it is a challenge lock. It was sent to me by Pickaholic and it is by Daz Evers. And you know what? That's all it says on the tag. I'm looking for if it had a it didn't have a bag. I'll be damned. Okay, maybe it's his first one. It just says by Daz Evers, so that's all the information I have. It did have a string wrapped around it, but there's no tag that I can see. So yeah, anyways, that's what we got. Okay, lock it back up. Bada boom, bada bing. There's the bitting on the key. It's got a little tick to it, but it does work. And I wasn't too afraid when I saw that bitting right there. I thought, okay, that's all right. But I started stabbing it, and this thing was not giving in. Tell you what. Hopefully I can do it again on camera. Let me see. Let's get some good enough. Good enough. Alrighty. I'm going to work off this ledge right here on the right. It's kind of like a ski slope, but that's what I'm going to do. A little click on one. Feels like 3. Okay. No, it don't. 4, 5. Alright, I think that was 2. Just touched 4 and you seen that. See the turn on the core? Got some counter rotation in the back, but let me feel around first before I take a chance on it. 3, 2, 1. 1 feels set. 2, 3. So it's got to be. Yeah, I've got some pretty good counter rotation. You see that? I'm going to have to go ahead and take a chance on it. I think I set it nice and softly, I hope. Coming back out. There we go. Pin 2. Bada boom, bada bing. First time I did it, that one in the back that gave me that counter rotation, I kept oversetting it. So bada boom, bada bing, we got her. Alright, wide, back out. Okay, beautiful. It's a tricky little dick there. Camera down over there. Pinning tray. Is very much open, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up because we got a key. Phillips. All right. Feels pretty tight, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a shim in that. I hope so though, because it felt pretty nasty. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to roast this. I really don't. Alright, we got it in pretty good. I'm going to try to... Alright, we'll call it good. Follower. Pin should be up here. To the top of the lock. There we go. Alright. Going in. Nice. Alright. Now I could see some funkiness already. Right there in pin 3. Yep. And frame good, yeah. Okay. Alright, look at the core. I don't see, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see threading, at least in 4 and 5. Okay, I can see threading. When I look down there, I can see it in all of these, but I think it just got wore out. But they look threaded. I don't know, man. It's like I can see them on the sides, but not... It must be fine threads. Anyways, moving on. Okay. Get all technical about it. Tweezers. Alright, let's see what we got up top. Oh, shoot. Let me move these. Alright, now we'll go up top. Mind frame, yeah. Wow, it keeps coming out. Trying to keep it standing up. That's a long pin. Okay, it's oh, there we go. It was a 2-piece. Yeah, buddy. Let me set this down. It's worth taking a look at. Jesus. Basically what we got is a serrated sleeve and a little pin that floated inside of it. What's weird though is I think this part was against the spring. So I believe that's how it was. Alright. Spring. And 2. Really nice. A reduced diameter at the top. Very nice. Hope you can see that good. Very nice, very nice. Standard in 3. Wow, heavy duty spring in that one in 3. Alright, 4. 4 looks like it's got a reduced diameter on the top. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's, yeah, because I was getting that that false set, and it was kind of just sticking right there. I bet you I was stuck on that little part where it had the smaller diameter. Okay. Oh, wow. 5 is not coming up above the shear line. Oh, there it goes. Bada boom, bada bing. Sorry, 5's a spool. So it popped up as soon as I touched it. And there's the spring. Alright, beautiful. I'm guessing there's nothing done up here. No. Alright, nothing done to the top. Excuse me. Okay, let's some light over here and take a look at these pins. Alright, I think I'm good, right? Should we go, again, that was, all it says is by Daz Evers. I don't know if that was his first one or what's going on with that. But as far as the pins go, key pin number 1 looks standard, same in 2. Number 3 has a reduced diameter on the top of it. 4 has a couple serrations in the top. 5, I'd call that spooled in the top. Upper pins, we had a 2-piece. We had a sleeve with a couple serrations on it floating on this pin right here, as you can see. Pretty damn nice. I like those. Number 2, we got a reduced diameter right here. I guess maybe T-pinish. We call that a 2-pin. 3 is a standard. 4 is, that's 1 piece, right? Yeah, okay, so there's a serration up here, and then there's a kind of reducey area down here, and then a spool at number 5. Alright, Daz Evers, thanks so much for making the lock, buddy. And to everybody watching this, thank you so much. And to my subscribers, thanks even more, man. Alright, Big Al signing off.